Hey guys, Sam from ThreeDee here. In this short video I would like to show you what you can see, what you can find inside the anonymous 3D cartoon character library. First thing first, I want to mention that we are still working on the library, so it grow in the future as our other libraries. Anytime you want to find the newest information, go to our webpage, which is 3d.design/3D cartoon character. You will find the anonymous there and you can see what is inside. But yeah, as I mentioned, this can grow, this can change, and get the newest information, go to this page. Okay, let's take a look what is inside now. You can see that we have PNG files, source files, license, skin colors used, and tutorials. Let's go to license. The license is like the basic ones. The license is the same across all our libraries. You can use our characters in personal use and commercial use, but you can't resell our three libraries, PNG files, source files, anything. You can't put it on the t-shirt and just resell it. This is not in basic license. If you need or if you want to ask about licensing, write me at samuel@3d.design. Okay, then we have like tutorials. Tutorials are for those who want to learn a thing or two about Blender and just download the Blender. It's for people who are new to Blender. Skin color used, yes, I just put like the colors which were used for rendering. So in case you want to reuse or you want to add more characters in the same skin colors, you can just go and render with the same setup and you will have the characters. Let's go to PNG files. As you can see, we have the female and male. This is the muscular, but this is the same structure for the adults and for the kids. Let's jump to the male. As you can see, we have three skin colors, which is white, dark brown, and brown. And let's go to the white, for example. One thing which is new here, that we have like 20 rendered characters in 20 poses each. Why it's cool? It's like one character, as you can see. Let me bring it up. As you can see, one character with one style of clothes is in different poses. Why this is cool? I think like it will be much easier for you to use this character across your app or your web, and you can just easily just place it, you know, in the app. Like, I don't know, it's fighting against something, you can put the logo here, and you know, it can just have like good time. Or if something is success, here you can easily just show it. And as you can see, it's like in 20 poses. For example, if your customer has some success or you want to show some award, this you can use it. And yeah, it's fully rigged, so you can pose it in Blender as you want. Let's go to the brown and let's go to, for example, mohawk hair. Yeah, the structure is the same. It's nicely rendered, and there is like, you can just grab it and just take it and use it in Figma, Sketch, Photoshop, After Effects, anywhere. It's super easy. So this is what is rendered. In every is 20 of them. It means like 400 PNG files. One skin color is 400 PNG files. So in total there are more than 2,400 for muscular. The same is for adults. Kids has 25 poses. So it's a little bit more. Let's go to the source files. Let's open to muscular male. Okay, I just opened the muscular male and I want to show you the structure. The structure is pretty much the same for all of the characters. It means that you have the source files, you have light setup, and yeah, you can just take a look how it will look like. So this is the setup, and in the file you can see that you have various clothes. Well, you can easily just go here and just delete it if you want to, but it's up to you. Then you can go to pose mode and easily just, let me just turn this so it's much faster, right? So you can just change the pose, everything is rigged, it's fully rigged, and everything is working nicely here. What we have inside is also the props, like we have the 3D files, 3D objects with, which are working with poses. And if you go to the pose library, you can see the poses here. Right, so it's pretty simple to use it. We created a lot of different tutorials starting from the scratch, and yeah, it's super easy because we have also here the character. Let me just bring it here, character generator, and it's easily you can just generate characters. Let me just Let me just check it out. I will put it out because I don't want to generate this, so I will go to mail. Right, and I can generate all combinations or just few combinations, like 10 of them. And yeah, you can just clear the keyframes. Let's put the props here and let's generate. Okay, so something is turned off. As you can see, now it generated random 3 characters. Right, so what is happening here is that we are using the mask. So let's use it out. And now you can see that it's working nicely. And you can just easily play and generate your characters as you want. We are using the masking here, which you can turn on and off. So nothing is clipping. Clipping means that they are going through like the skin. So you can easily just turn it off, and now it's not clipping, right? So it's pretty simple. I think it's the simplest way how we can generate characters inside the Blender, because we built our own add-on. It's part of the full package only. So if you buy the full package, which is mask colors, adults and kids together, you will get also the character generator for free. It's a great deal. That's it. If you want to learn more about anonymous cartoon 3D characters, go to 3D.design/3D cartoon character. If you have any question, reach out to me at samuel@3D.design. If you want to learn more about our 3D libraries, go to 3D.design. And yeah, if you want to be around like-minded people, go to our Discord server. And thank you so much. Have a great day and see you in the next video.